I'm Will at Tek Glass. We supply windows for Mercedes Sprinters, Ford Transits, Ram ProMasters. We've been selling windows since 2009, so 16 years. So I'd like to think we know a fair bit about glass. When I first started and I was fitting windows to old Volkswagen Eurovans, the windows at the time were shocking, to say the least. So things have changed a lot in the years. There's been a lot of manufacturing, kind of engineering progression in that time with the machines that we use to make these pieces of glass. With all of our windows, what we really try to do is we really try to stock as many as we possibly can, because what we've noticed with American window dealers in the past is that they seem to take your order and then place the order with the manufacturer and then wait a long time for that order to be placed, and then it gets shipped out to the customer. We do the exact opposite. We get stock a lot quicker. We hold a lot more stock, and that means that when you place your order, it's usually shipped out within probably a maximum, I'd say, of only one business day. And that's why we like to get stuff to you as fast as we possibly can.